We're just finished up the pre-production planning stages in SketchUp, and now we're all set to start working UDK and building levels.
What do you think of the leadership by Mr. Scott?
Yeah, he seems to be doing a good job. He's on top of everything. He's going around all the different departments and making sure we're working and seeing what they're up to.
Progress-wise, do you think we're on schedule?
Yes.
What are the biggest developments coming up from your department?
Just levels. We're actually starting working the engine now, and we get to work building the skeletal outlines of the levels, so we'll see what the player will.
All right. How many weeks have we been working on this so far?
This is our 4th week.
How do you think the project's going so far?
Slowly.
Slowly but steady, or just slowly?
Slowly but steady.
So you think we're on time, and
Yeah.
what do you think of Scott as a leader?
He's a good leader, like Batman.
Oh, okay. Does that make you Robin?
No.
Would you play this game?
Yeah, I would.
So this is our 3rd or 4th weekend. You think we're on schedule, and is there any big art concepts that we'll be able to see soon?
Probably not soon, but
Not soon.
eventually.
When's your deadline for the art?
A couple months from now.
Oh, really? Okay. So how's it working within the promotion team? What have we done so far? What do we look to do?
We've been basically doing a lot of website development and planning are the early stages right now.
So once the website's good, what do we hope to do from there, promotion-wise?
We basically get the word out. I mean, do a couple of flash mobs, get the Facebook and Twitter and social media going, posters, stuff like that. Anything with a QR code that we can send them off to the website that should work.
Cool. How's it working with the other teams so far? We haven't really got a lot, but we have the relationship.
The other teams are great. You know, they're working really hard. And it's a tough deadline to meet.
So there's different titles for all the levels, different feelings, or why don't you give us a little bit of a clarification for that?
Yeah, the game is sort of based around the idea that you're in the human psyche. We're starting to develop the quick sketch of the levels already. In 2 weeks we'll have working playable levels.
Oh wow, that's a lot to expect. Are you sure about that? We have kind of a basic schedule, right?
Oh, we have a great schedule.
And how's sticking to it? Is it on schedule so far, or maybe?
We have 1 more week to do the basic level geography, and my level is done. Ben's level looks great. Cavs and next are on the way. They're all working with textures. Yeah.
So everything's working well within the team. How about with the other teams? If you have any interaction with the other teams, or?
Yeah, we do. Especially the marketing.
How's the marketing team?
I don't know.
From an outside perspective.
Kind of hate that kid,
Oh.
Patrick.
Annoying, I know. He's got that nasally
He's a little
voice.
annoying.
Yeah. So there's 4 level plans, right?
Yep.
So he thinks you should go with 3.
He thinks we're not going to have enough time because people have lots of ideas, and the way I look at it, the 3D modeling didn't start yet, but it should have.
What kind of inspiration led to this idea? The playing of other games, or was it just an idea, maybe a movie, or?
I think that, I don't know, I think it was just kind of not necessarily a unique concept, but it's a concept that could be done pretty well, considering how much material you have to work with, and but still how mysterious it sort of is, right? I mean, the brain, we've mapped parts of the brain and everything else, and we know sort of how it works in some ways, but in other ways it's still a pretty big mystery about how it came together and how it functions, and if you hurt it, how to heal it, because it's different than most of our other organs.
How does you feel working with other groups, or other departments, rather?
Other departments? I think everyone's, so far, pulling their weight really well.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of really cool stuff coming out of all the departments. I think it's neat to see how your idea and your vision gets sort of changed or evolves over time in other people's minds, and when they put their creative skills to the test. I mean, it's a creative process, right? So expect some changes and expect some interesting ideas to come out of it as well.
All right, great. Any final thoughts that you want to share with us?
we had to come up with a title still, which is a pretty big thing. It's not been very easy. I don't know if it'll just fall into place. I'm hoping it just falls into place. I want it to feel really good. But if you have any ideas, let me know.
Are you talking to me or the viewers at home?
Everybody.
Okay.
You and the viewers at home. Jesus.
In the dark.